Okay, we have a net change in velocity problem. Very similar to displacement, by the way, but we're integrating the acceleration function. So let's write that down. And we're going to go from 4 to 5. The acceleration function is given to me as 23t minus 2t squared dt. I'm going to integrate now. What do you get? 23t squared over 2. Let me see if I got this. Because I'll notice there's an error in the key, and I'll correct it, by the way. Minus, that's going to be 2t cubed over 3. The limits of integration go from 4 to 5. Now someone says, what do you mean you notice an error in the key? I just noticed it. They say that's 3. It should be 2. All right, I'll have to correct that. You're not going to see that, though. So I'm going to have to change that to a 2. All right? I do want to do the work, though. And I'm going to say this arithmetic was easier than the prior problem. But still, if you find it tedious, use a calculator. I don't mind. 23 times 25 over 2 minus 2 times, well, 5 cubed is 125 over 3. Let's do the lower limit. That's going to be minus 23 times 16 over 2. And minus and minus now is plus 2 times 64 over 3. All right? Now, the way I do arithmetic, the way you do arithmetic may look different, but really the outcome can't be different. And I'm looking at this thing, and I'm looking at it. It's 25 minus 16. And 25 minus 16, you may wonder what I'm looking at. I'm looking at these two terms here. And 25 minus 16 is going to be 9. So I'll write that down for you. So it's going to be 9 times 23 over 2. Now the next one, it's actually 64 minus 125. So I'm going to get minus, it's over 3 now. There's a 2 there. You know what? I just said something, and did I do that right? Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. So 64 minus 125. Let's see, 36, 46, 56, 61 times 2. All right. Okay. I'm going to do the arithmetic now, and I get a common denominator of 6. So really what I get is get 27 times 23 minus 4 times 61. All right, let's keep doing the arithmetic. And, you know, some things are easier than others, but I still want to check it and see if my key's right. So 4 times 60 is 244. I got to do this on the side, by the way. 27 times 23. 3 times 7 is 21. And 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 plus 2 is 8. All right? Let's do the next one. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1, 12, 6. All right, 621. 621 minus 244. All right, I get to like grade school arithmetic. This will be a 1. This becomes 11. That's going to be 6 and 7. Got that. I'm going to borrow from this. Make that an 11. 4 from 11, 7. 2 from 5 is 3. So what do you get? 377 over 6. Now, by the way, I can't even remember the problem at this point, but it was this, net change for velocity. And the net change for velocity is going to be, whoops, I forgot to look at the unit. It's going to be meters per second now. So meters per second. Put a box in this answer over here. No, I'm not going to go to decimals, but I do want to look at the answer. And 377 over 6. We did okay. Right? They also write a decimal down over there. I will correct the key, though. Thank you.